Welcome to Quarterpath, located in the city of Williamsburg, Virginia. This beautiful community allows you to have the best of both worlds, amazing homes and a great location. With low maintenance living, you can enjoy more free time with your family and friends, or connect with nature on one of the community's walking trails. Explore the local area and enjoy shops, breweries, wineries, and more. Do you love the outdoors? Kayak one of the many rivers or ride your bike on the Capitol Trail. Find your A-game on award-winning golf courses or take a short drive to soak up the sun at the beach. Known as America's Historic Triangle, Colonial Williamsburg, Yorktown, and Jamestown are just minutes away. The community offers townhomes and condos. Our homes offer spacious open floor plans, garages, and outdoor living spaces. What more could you be looking for in your new home? Honestly, Quarterpath is a community built for any lifestyle. With beautiful homes, amenities, and an amazing location, what's not to love? Visit us today at HHHuntHomes.com. HH Hunt, because it's how you live that matters.